Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Prolong Powers honest review. As you can see, we're on the official website and it's like saying it's only $49 and there's this new version which is 99% accurate. Honestly, I don't know how these type of accuracies are calculated, but what they're promising is increased libido, increased performance, increased testosterone, energy, muscle support, mood enhancement, things like that. But if we look at actual people's reviews who have used this and listened to their experiences, they have faced problem, and one of the most common problem is they felt nauseous, which is the opposite of feeling energetic. This thing is supposed to make you feel energetic, but instead they're saying it just makes them feel more nauseous. It also gives them headache, and that is a really bad thing. And another thing is that they feel very weak, and most of the people, I've not seen honestly any good reviews about this. Most of the people have said that they have seen basically no changes and it's a waste of money. So I would really not buy these things off the internet. Only if you have a doctor, I would say. If you really need this type of help, consult your doctor, ask them what you can get, and from then buy something instead of just grabbing something on from the internet just because you saw it's trending. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.